Okay, let's open this box, shall we? Now, this is a gimbal, and I bought it to hopefully improve and make some B-roll shots so I can really improve the videos that I'm doing here. So, let's open her up. I bought her a few days ago. Let's open it up. There we go. And that's kind of interesting. All right. I think you just pull this straight out, right? All right. Put that right there. Hopefully there's some instructions in here. Give me 1 second, guys. Okay. Alright, looks like that's what holds the camera. Okay. Looks like we got a bag here. Oh, yeah, a bag per. Okay. Let's move everything over a little bit here. Alright, what else is in here? Oh, alright. It looks like. Alright. Oh, okay, there's the instructions. Little bag just for the instructions here. Alright, neat. Alright. Now, I'm not going to go ahead and read the instructions. Let's just see how easy this is to use. I've watched a couple YouTube videos on this. So let's see if we can just get it to turn on. Alright. And boom. There it is. On. Set to go. Already working. Wow. Alright, cool.